Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Plenty of Fish account. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So if you open up the Plenty of Fish app and click on your profile icon on the top right, then go to Manage Account, you'll see there's no option on there to delete your account. So what you'll need to do is go on a web browser and go into the Plenty of Fish website. Once you're on here, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then select Manage Account. Then you should see at the bottom of this page, Delete My Account. So you just want to select that. Then I'll just ask you a few questions which you can answer. Obviously just put in whatever you want on here. Then just select Delete My Account. Then this will just let you know once your account has been deleted, it's gone for good. That includes your profile, all uploaded photos, conversations, and everything you've done since joining Plenty of Fish. So if you're happy with all of that, just select Delete Account and your account will be deleted. Thanks for watching.